የተከበራችሁ የተወደዳችሁ የቲጂ ኢንግሊሽ ኤንድ ኮምፒውተር ፎር ኢትዮጵያንስ ፕሮግራም ተከታታዮች ዌልካም ቱ ማይ ፕሮግራም። ዛሬ አዲስ ገቢ ለሆናችሁ ፕሮግራሚንግ ክሊክ አድርጋችሁ ላያችሁ የቲጂ ኢንግሊሽ ኤንድ ኮምፒውተር ፎር ኢትዮጵያንስ አዘጋጅና አቅራቢ ትዕግስት ዘለቀ ነኝ። ዌልካም ቱ ዘ ፕሮግራም። የቲጂ ኢንግሊሽ ኤንድ ኮምፒውተር ፎር ኢትዮጵያንስ ዋናው ዓላማ ሌትስ ኢምፕሩቭ አወር ኢንግሊሽ ኤንድ ኮሬክት አወር ሚስቴክስ። እንግዲህ አዲስ የሆናችሁ እንግዲህ ዛሬ ፕሮግራሚንግ ክሊክ አድርጋችሁ ላያችሁ ሰብስክራይብ ማድረጉ እንዳትረሱ። ሰብስክራይብ እያደረጋችሁ እዩ። ምክንያቱም ፕሮግራሜ በተከታታይ ስለሆነ በቀጥታ እንደጨርቅ ወደ እናንተ ይመጣል። ለመደበኛ ተማሪዎቼ፣ ለምወዳችሁ፣ ለማከብራችሁ የዘወትር ደጋፊዎቼ፣ ተመልካቾቼ ደግሞ ዌልካም ቱ ዘ ፕሮግራም እና ልክ ፕሮግራም እያያችሁ ላይክ ማድረጉንና ሼር ማድረጉ እንዳትረሱ። ለእናንተ የደረሰው ለሌሎች ወገኖቻችን እንዲደርስ ዛሬ today is a new day። ፖስተሬ ላይ ከዚህ በፊት የዛሬ 3 ቀን እንዳስቀመጥኩት ዛሬ እንግሊዘኛ መነጋገር እንጀምራለን። Today's a day we're going to start have conversation with native English speakers. Yes, you heard me. Today I have a guest. She is 8 years old, beautiful young lady. She's with me. I will say welcome. Okay, what do you want? Okay. All right, today I have a guest. She is 8 years old, young lady. She is pretty, but I want to show her more face on my tube because my YouTube agreement is strictly for adults. I'm not allowed to show kids. But my Girlsie, my today's special and first guest, she will give you a wave. Girlsie, can you wave us? Yeah, look his pretty hand. Okay. That is great. Now, we're going to go to the main point. Have a good time with us. Please give her a warm welcoming to my Girlsie to be our TG English lesson for Ethiopians first and a special guest. Hello, Girlsie.
Hello.
How are you?
I'm doing good.
What you up to, girl? What are you doing?
I'm cooking. Actually, I'm baking.
Wow! What are you baking?
I'm baking cookies.
Cookies?
Yep.
What kind of cookies are you baking?
It's called chocolate chip cookies.
Wow! That sounds delicious. What are the ingredients? Can you share with us, please?
No problem. 1 cup of flour, 2 eggs, 1 spoonful of baking soda, 1 spoonful of sugar, a pinch of salt, a handful of chocolate chips, 5 grams of butter, and a glass of milk, and let us bake and eat.
Wow, that sounds great. Could you give us the recipe for your cookie?
Yep. I'm trying to find a snack that I can get
Come on.
the fridge.
Come on. Let's finish.
I'm trying to not
Okay, let's finish. Oh, come on. Okay.
I want to see it.
Wow, that sounds great. Could you give us the recipe for your cookies?
Yep. Yep.
Wow, thank you so much.
No problem.
Okay, that's nice of you. Okay, Girlsie, I would like to ask you one more favor.
Yes.
Would you explain to my viewers the difference between baking and cooking?
Sure.
Okay, go ahead.
The differences between cooking and baking is when you cook on the stove and bake in the oven. You don't have to look after the food when you bake it. You can just set a timer and wait. Baking, in my opinion, baking is easier than cooking.
Wow, wonderful. Thank you so much. I really appreciate. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, I hope you learn something from her. As I said, the difference between my English second speakers and her English native speaker, mine is a bit thick, hers very fluent American English. So that is the way we're going to start how to listen native English speakers and how to say exactly the way they say. I know it takes time, but first step is take you wherever you want to be. አሁን እሷ ጋር የተነጋገረውን ከታች ደግሞ ዲስክሪፕሽን ላይ በሙሉ የተነጋገረውን እተውላችኋለሁ። የሷን አክሰንት እየሰማችሁ እናንተ ደግሞ ለማለት ሞክሩ። Anyway, slowly, one by one, we're going to make ourselves better and better. That is the way education does for everyone. Nobody's perfect overnight. Nobody's perfect by magic. Hard work, determination, time takes us wherever we want to be. Okay, I'll conclude my program today. As I told you, I'm on vacation. Anyway, I don't want you just be missing me a lot, and I'm going to miss you too. While I'm on the vacation, I'll try my best to present for you short program like this. I hope you like it. Please let me know your opinion. Let me know my new conversation program and presentation today. It is first time for me. I hope you'll enjoy it. I really had fun over here. For now, bye everyone. Have a nice day.